If PCSX2 games run in slow motion, here is how to fix it. First, update PCSX2, go to Help, then check for updates and install the latest version. Open Settings, then Graphics. Choose Vulkan for best performance. If the game shows a black screen, switch to DirectX 3D11. Set Fullscreen mode to borderless full screen. Enable widescreen. And anti-blur. In rendering, select native PS2 resolution. Set texture filtering to nearest. Turn trilinear filtering off. Turn anisotropic filtering off. Open texture replacement. Enable the first two options. Copy the same settings to the other tabs. This will fix slow motion and improve performance in PCSX2. Like and subscribe for more fixes.